Hi guys, welcome to your 31st tutorial on XHTML, and in this one we'll be looking at links. 31 already, flying along. Okay, so I've just changed just about a bit. I've taken out the class. Instead you've got ID is equal to you. There's my ID, ID. As you can see, I've three different IDs here, okay? So I just went ahead and ran the first one. So as you put the pound sign at you, which is the ID, color dash red, or I give a 3 pick solid green. So when we actually run this, this is what we got. Now, we'll go back in. What we'll do is we'll do one together. And we'll say, right, we're going to go for us. Okay, so that's the ID. And we'll go with color dash pink. And we go with border dash, we go 5 pick. And we go solid. Pink, probably go with pink. We'll go with green to be able to see it, okay? And we close that again. So, we actually have a gap here. We can't have that. We can't have that. Okay, so if I save this, right, and if I go back into my browser, to view my web page, and I refresh that, hey voila, there we go. Pink, and we get our real tick border around us. So we'll just do the middle one here now. Now we might as well just keep it uniform, so we'll stick it here. So a pound sign again, and it's at them. And we go with a color dash blue, and we go with a border dash go 2 picks solid orange, because that will show up just nice for us. And we close that here again, okay? So if I save that and if I refresh my page, we shall see the changes taking effect. And here we go. See that? We got a blue, we got a border. So basically that's IDs for you. At IDs you're going to have one ID per each item, right? So we have ID. You can't use the same ID in the same way and on different items the same way page. It's not like classes. Classes are different. You can use the same class for numerous items. But on IDs you have to use separate IDs for each item that you want to style with a different name, okay? So then you go put the pound sign, the name of the ID, again, just standard stuff again, just put in what you need to know, okay? That's grand. Thanks for joining me guys, and see you on number 32. Bye bye.